Okay, so I'm cleaning up this pipe for my welding table that I'm making. I just chucked up a little wire brush wheel in the drill press here. Getting that galvanization off the inside and the outside, so I got a good surface to weld to. My coworker Dave turned me on to chucking up the wire wheel in the drill press there. It works real good. Well, I got one of the base plates that I'm going to use for my welding table chucked up in the vise here. Use a flat disc on the grinding wheel, or on the angle grinder, to get some of the paint off so I can weld to it. There's that. That flat disc did not like that paint very much. I don't know what kind of paint or powder coat that is, but it's spook of a sprig, as maybe he would say. Once I get the whole table assembled, I'll probably take all the paint off the backside just so I can weld to it and take it off this last inch. Here's the second one. This plate that I got has got bumpers on the bottom, so one of them's missing, but I'll probably try to use this one for the bottom, see if I can replace that bumper with something, maybe the head of a bolt or something welded on there. But in case you had a bad edit on the first one, look at this. I'm just cleaning up around here because I'm welding a piece of galvanized pipe that stuff is, but it's going up my flat wheel, so I'm going to use the grinder wheel. Get this the rest of the way off. Just a tip and or trick for anybody who doesn't have a lot of grinding wheel experience. Don't need to torque these things down when you put a new wheel on. Get you to hand tight. That way you can get it off. It's like a hammer, and when you have it, everything looks like a nail. Just good for a lot of jobs. Okay, so here's my welding table parts. I got this leg off a church pew. I got 3 church pews free off Craigslist, so I've been kind of cannibalizing them for different projects. I made a closet shelf. There's the old workbench. Got the John's Res chainsaw all taken apart, trying to figure out an oiling issue with that. But check this for square. Use the chop saw to square off the bottom of it. It's pretty good. I'll introduce you to my battery-powered welder here. It's 3 lead-acid batteries, and yeah, I'm going to use it to weld together my welding table. Okay, so I'm going to tack up the plate on here. Luckily, this thing had a lug already on it. I can hook my ground right to there. Get this contraption all rigged up so I can try to get it close to level. I'm going to try to spark it just the 6011 here. I might have to get some sacrificial rod in there as it goes, because this welder has too much amperage for its own good, because I don't have any amperage control. It's 36 volts. Works pretty good for most things. Not exactly stone cold accurate though. The other problem is there's no on-off switch on it. Well, got that tacked up. She's almost level. To be honest, I have no idea if the base plate is level. It's not. So, whatever. Probably could have hung a plumb blob or something on it, but I'm going to weld her up the rest of the way. Okay, here we go, trying to do some of these tack welds. This thing has got a little bit too much heat, so it tends to just blow right through stuff. So my solution to that is take another piece of welding rod here. You get a stripper or something. Take a file, scrape off the flux on one side. Just have to do the beginning part of it. This way I get a lot more flux in my welds too. Scientifically valid or not, it seems to work for me. Probably should have brought this helmet inside. You can't see shit. It's fogging up on me. tell it's a little too hot. We'll just smoke those electrodes. And I got to build weld. I mean, I would use this thing on something that somebody's life depends on, but works fine for a little shit like this. We have a bunch of 1078. This thing doesn't really like the spark the 1078 too good. Or 7018, sorry. We'll try some of that out. So that 7018 is feeling real good right now. But as you can see, still a little too hot. The rod's blowing. I don't really know how to stick weld, so I'm assuming that's a bad thing. Looks like you got a blowout over here. Oops. There's a hole in concrete. Little slag hammers in the basement right now, so I'm just going to keep welding right into the slag. I guess we can let that rod cool off a little bit. Again, I'm using the welder here. It's best to take the electrodes out because I didn't buy the right wire, and so it's hard to guess where that's going to go. Actually, I have my phone chalked up in my vise right now. Seems to be working pretty good. I try a little overhead action. Never welded overhead before. So, hopefully, I don't get hurt. that with a hole in your gloves. I'm going to flip this table over. It's just tacked up. It's real out of plumb. I have to. Yeah, fuck it, it'll just be out of plumb. I plan on cutting it apart and putting in a method to again, not something I can specifically recommend, but it worked good for me. Somebody goobered this clamp on pretty decent. Just hit it with a little more weld. It doesn't board, and I got the welder out. As you can see, that shit sparks a ton, and doesn't really work super good. It just seems to explode. So the 7018 seems to be a much better choice. So there you have it, a mostly formed welding table. Looks like I melted these feet out pretty much, so might not. Okay, I'm just going to clean the top of this up with a grinder, so that I got a weldable surface, or so I can set things down on it and weld on them. Got the DeWalt 7-inch grinder here. She does a pretty good job. Moves a lot of material pretty fast. I'd recommend these 3M earplugs to anybody. I always keep them on. That way you don't set them down and go, oh, well, I'll just be doing something for a second. I don't need them. Well, there you have it. It's pretty clean. Not 100% clean. I don't need it 100% clean. And the clamp just goes down here. And you can take whatever piece of equipment you're welding on, put her on top like that. Let's give her a shot. yeah, that's my my welding table video. Ain't the prettiest thing. I'll hit it with some paint, probably. Fuck it. I'm probably not gonna hit it with any paint. Get a little burn on my top of my foot there, so probably should wear boots next time. Yeah, that's my welder. That's my new welding table. See y'all later.